Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, so another day, another Mars mission. Yeah. This is the new ExoMars rover, built in the UK. And in 2021, this rover will land in Oxia Planum, an area chosen for its rich sediments. It doesn't look like it has a gold pan. That's too bad. But it looks like it has a good selfie stick and camera. That's what matters. Yeah, they put on good metal tires. Not the best for sand, but at least they won't blow out. And at a cost of only 287 million pounds, seems like a good deal.
Well, you certainly got that right, FEC, but I found something even better. Hey, take a look at this here, huh? Hey, that's the NASA's Cosmic Cleaning Crew. Oh, my dear God, what next?